Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you, of course, after all, even split 70-25 minus your 10% of 25.
There's a big problem down in shipping. All of these crates are stamped medical supplies, but they're actually full of highly explosive ion disruptors.
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Ship them.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Once you take your seats, go ahead and fasten your restraints. Buckle up. Says Hondo, you have no engineers.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged.
That's cool. I remember that. There's no engineers.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Julie makes this thing will hit the air. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that flight yard. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Yes! Yes! Keep shooting! They blocked onto us! Take evasive action! There it is! After that plane! Gunners, fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I can go taxi out. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the bullets out. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Punch. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Let's pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. We did not die. Let's get out of here! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel to uncharted regions and it's time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.